Hi guys, this is Amazing Trinkets here with Hailey's Hangout, and we are Amazing Hangout.
If you liked today's video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications to see more.
And on today's episode, we are going to be working with vinyl and glitter, so let's go. Alright, so we're going to do something that's pretty popular right now. They put a stripe of a patterned vinyl, and then you paint this a matching glitter color. I'll put it on mine first, and then you can try it. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, so that way I can use this too.
Demonstration and follow.
Right. Alright. So I'm not going to worry about the fact that this isn't straight, because I'm going to cut straight lines after I get it on. So I like this pink best, which I'm going to cut myself a straight line here. That really wasn't straight either, but you know what? We're going to go with it. I'm going to peel this. I'm actually going to go ahead and just Alright, so I'm going to line her up here. Like I said, I'm going to cut a straight line, so I'm not even going to worry about making it straight. But I want to make sure I don't have bubbles. So I'll make sure I get that nice and smooth. Then I'm going to get my smoothing tool, which I think you had one of these in your bag. And I have more if you want one.
I can grab them.
So I'm going to, see how I kind of put the paper back there? I'm going to slowly smooth this on. See how that paper curls? It's going to move as I go. So I'm just going to work on smoothing this vinyl. Alright, so I can see where the vinyl is there. So I'm going to go ahead and cut all of this off here. Okay. So if you want to do this part, I don't know if you want to use this or not. That's up to you, whatever you're comfortable with. So we'll do this part and then I'll show you the cutting after we get yours on. Okay, so I can kind of see where my line is, see where they're overlapping. So I could kind of take my nail, kind of define that a little better. See how I'm kind of making that indent there? So now I can see it really well. I don't know how well that would, oh yeah, that shows up pretty good. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on here. I'm going to use a knife. I'm going to cut away from me. So I'm going to look at that line. You don't have to go fast. And I'm going to try to follow that line. You don't have to push too hard. It's pretty sharp. Go slow. Follow that line. So then I'm going to keep this here. Pull that up. Now it's even.
It's pretty good.
So do you see where your line is?
Yeah.
Okay. And you don't have to, you know, if you need to pick it up and do little bits, that's fine too. It's just very sharp. Just watch your fingers. So then you want to peel up this side here, and you want to peel that edge back. Kind of go slow, because we want to make sure we don't pull up the vinyl that's behind it. Perfect. Look at that. You can kind of smooth it if you need to. Make sure it's all the way down. Awesome. So we can take your stick out. I got a couple tools that I use for straight lines. This is a cup edging tool by Wicked Shimmer Supply. So I like to use this for the top and bottom edges. I'm going to kind of fold this in so I can have a nice seat on my room. So I'm going to put it upside down like this. This has a blade in it. So I'm going to take this, set it on here, I'm going to hold it steady, I'm going to spin my cup. So I'm holding this steady with this hand, and I'm spinning with this hand. And I'm pushing against the blade. You don't have to push super hard, but enough to cut it. And you want to at least go a full revolution around. So now, look at that. Perfect. So let's see if this is tall enough for yours. Where's your widest gap? So go ahead and put that on there. Might need to adjust it a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna go one washer taller, I think, for yours. So this has washers, so you can adjust the height. Just go ahead and set that up there and see if we're at a good height now. Is that blade at the vine? Okay. So you're gonna hold the plate steady with one hand and spin your cup with the other one, and keep your fingers away from the blade. You can spin whatever direction makes sense to you. Yep, we can do that. Let's go. I just dropped that on the floor. It's okay. I missed the trash can. Okay, now you can peel her off. If you want to put it back on there, if you need to smooth it or something, you can. Well, it's pretty good, huh?
It's cool.
Perfect. All right, so now to do the middle, I like to use, this is the stripe tool by the Amy's Make Everything. So what I'm going to do here, line this up here, and I might want to do this for yours because I don't need to slice fingers today. And see how this hole is probably my best option, cuts off the least. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the knife in this tip, I'm going to hold it steady, and I'm going to spin my cup. Oops, it's nice to have your cup flat first, that'd probably be good. Okay, and you can peel it off. Oh, do I need to get it again? Sorry.
Yeah, it's just this little thing here.
There we go. Like I said, we'll cover the edge with a strip of vinyl. So now the hard part, what color are we going to do the bottom, and what color glitter? I'm going to go ahead and paint my base white and then put the color on top. Just because my colors are lighter, but you don't necessarily have to do that if you don't want to. I got purple here. So if you, yes, it took some finagling. It was mine kind of shimmied its way down the cup. So this is Slick Stick, and this preps the surface for paint. Oh, no. I keep telling myself not to put this lid all the way on, and I need to put it in a squeeze container because it sticks.
It's Slick Stick.
Yeah, it's stuck. It's stick. It's doing the stick part. Okay, we got it. Got it. All right. So do you want to do a white base or do you want to just go in with purple? It's up to you.
I can go in with a white base.
Okay. It'll make your purple probably...
purple, and this looks like a darker purple, so...
Do you want a lighter purple? I can find a lighter one.
No.
Okay.
Because it'll make the color lighter anyway.
Right. So this is what my makeup brush is for. So you can see it goes on really nice. White.
Yes.
Good coverage. I'm just going to make sure I get my edges here. So what I would recommend is to take this and put some on here, and you're gonna coat the whole thing, and then you're gonna cover it.
Okay.
With it being one color, it should be somewhat quick.
Okay. Easier than last time?
I would think so, yes. So here's the brush. If you want to squeeze some on there and start covering. Oh, you should probably have your glitter ready too. Take your lid off.
Stick. Yes, I did just tell an inanimate object that it needs to stick.
What do we think?
I think it looks nice. I like how it follows through like that.
The ombre's, but it's alright.
It's also Mod Podge.
It is Mod Podge. So, what we'll probably want to do, is that how it is? You probably want to seal these, which means we'll go upstairs and use clear spray so that once we put the epoxy on, the glitter doesn't shift and go over our vinyl.
Make sure you know where that nozzle is. There you go. That was simple. Yep. Now just let them dry. That's shame. Yep.
Thanks for watching today's episode where I learned how to put vinyl, use Mod Podge, and use seal on a tumbler.
Thanks for watching.
Bye!